Hello everyone, this is Chaitanya Reddy from Final Year Mechanical and my pin number is 171001M003 and today I am giving deep presentation on time management. First of all, what is the time management? Introduction about time management. Planning and controlling how much time to spend on a specific activities is called time management. Next, brief guide to time management. The The time management is the process of planning and controlling how much time to spend on specific activity is called time management. Good time management enables an individual to complete more in shorter period of time on lower stress and leads to career success. Benefits of time management. Ability to manage your time effectively is important. Good time management leads to improve efficiency and productivity, less stress and more success in life. Next, benefits. Stress relief, more time, more opportunities, ability to realize goals. Stress relief. Making and following a task schedules reduces anxiety. That means you can make a schedules for your work. You can do easily without anxiety. More time. Good time management gives you extra time to spend in your daily life. People who can time manage effectively, they enjoy having more time to spend on hobbies, more opportunities. The managing time well leads to more opportunities. Good time management skills are key qualities for that employee looks for. Ability to realize goals. Who have good time management skills, they are able to better achieve goals and objectives and to do so on shorter time. Tips for time management. Set a goals correctly. Prioritize wisely and set a time limit and take a breaks between tasks. Organize yourself. Remove non-essential tasks. Plan ahead. I'll explain one by one. First of all, set goals. Set goals. Set goals that are achievable and measurable. While setting a goal, use SMART method. Make sure the goals you set are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time based. Next one, prioritize wise. Prioritize wisely means it's based on important and urgency. For example, if you have any important work and urgency, do this task right way. And then if you have important work and not urgency, decide when to do this task. And if you have not important work but urgency, delegate this task if possible. If you have not important work and not urgency, set this aside to do later or don't do. Next, set time limit to complete a task. Set time for completed tasks. It's help you more focus and efficiency. For example, exam. If you have any online exam, we have only 30 minutes for completing exam, but we have 50 questions. On the time we have to complete exam within 50 minutes. On the time we have to set a time limit for each question. If you don't set a time limit, you can't able to get a good result. Next, take break between tasks. When doing a lot of work without a break, it's harder to stay focused and motivated. So provide some time for refresh yourself. Next, organize yourself. Utilize your calendar for more long-term time management. For example, building construction. If you get a chance on building construction contract, on the time you have to set a deadline for completing a contract. If you don't set a deadline, you can't able to complete your work within the deadline. So set a deadline. Remove non-essential. Next, remove non-essential tasks and activities. It is important to remove excess activities or tasks. Identify which is deserve the more time. Remove that. Then your time spent genuinely on important works. Next, plan ahead. Make sure you start every day with a clear idea or plan what you needed to do. For example, if you have a tour trip, if you go to any tour, definitely at the time you have to do plan, because without planning we can't go to anywhere. So how to go, where to go, when to go, how many members are going, how much amount needed for this trip, like this we have to do plan. If you don't have good time management skills, these are takes place. Number one, poor workflow, wasted time, less of control, poor quality, reputation, high stress. These are takes place when you don't have good time management skills. You can see this picture. He don't have good time management skills. So see in this picture, he's doing so many works and at a time, eating, typing, or something he is doing. So we can understand he don't have good time management skills. Next, some sentence about time. You work hard, you make money, but you can't make time. You can buy inch of gold, but you can't buy just a millisecond of time. Life is small and life is shorter. Don't waste time. Remember it, don't forget it. Next, time management is life management. Once again I am saying time management is life management. So don't waste time. Thank you.